Are you jumping the gun? When you're having a conversation with a prospective customer, are you providing a solution service to them? Are you showing them what you can do? Are you showing them all the ins and outs and the benefits and all the things of what you have available? Are you doing that? Because if you're doing that, you're wrong. If you're doing that, stop immediately. I don't want you to be providing and trying to sell a service. What you need to do is to provide a problem-solving conversation. Be careful with this. You need to help them identify and clarify what their problems are. If you're offering a solution to a situation where you don't really understand, you haven't diagnosed and you haven't dug deep and you haven't found out what their problems are, then it makes you feel and appear needy and pretty darn desperate. And not only that, you're probably providing a solution service to a problem that doesn't even exist. Or if it does exist, it's pretty insignificant to them. They really don't care at all. So put your doctor's coat on. That's what I'm asking you. Put your doctor's coat on. Don't jump the gun. Give yourself the time to understand and appreciate what the potential clients are going through, what the challenges are, clarify them, get them to identify them, get them to confirm them to themselves. And then and only then can you even mention, with their permission, the possibility of a service or a solution. And if you have some challenges with that in any way, which I'm sure some people will, right? If you're having some challenges with that, message me and we can talk it through. Until next time, I wish you all the very best and take care from Thailand.